English Grammar Mastery. Unlocking the mystery of inversion in conditional sentences. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting episode in our journey through the vast realm of English grammar. Today we're going to delve deep into inversion in conditional sentences, a topic that can truly set your English skills apart. We'll understand how inversion works and the two key types of inversion, partial and full. So, get your notebooks ready, because it's time to become English grammar gurus. Inversion in conditional sentences is a way of rearranging the subject and the auxiliary verb. Normally, in English, the subject comes before the verb. In inverted conditionals, however, the auxiliary verb comes first. Why do we do this? To emphasize a situation, make a sentence sound more formal or literary, or just to make your English more varied and interesting. Here's a basic example. Normal. If you need help, call me. Inverted. Should you need help, call me. Let's start with the partial inversion. In partial inversion, we only invert the auxiliary verb and the subject of the conditional clause. Look at these examples. Normal. If you are ever in New York, visit the Metropolitan Museum. Partial inverted. Should you ever be in New York, visit the Metropolitan Museum. Notice how the should auxiliary verb precedes you subject in the inverted sentence. The main clause remains the same in both versions. Now, moving on to the full inversion. Here, not only do we invert the auxiliary verb and the subject in the conditional clause, but we also drop the if, making the sentence even more formal. Compare these examples. Normal. If I had known it was your birthday, I would have bought a gift. Fully inverted. Had I known it was your birthday, I would have bought a gift. As you can see, in full inversion, had auxiliary verb comes before I subject, and the if is completely dropped. Let's put this knowledge into practice. Try to convert these sentences using partial and full inversion. 1. If they come early, we can start the meeting. 2. If it rains tomorrow, I will stay at home. 3. If I were rich, I would travel the world. Leave your answers in the comments and we'll review them together. And there you have it, folks. We've demystified the topic of inversion in conditional sentences today. Remember, using inversion can add an extra layer of sophistication to your English, and can be especially useful in writing. Practice these sentence structures until you're comfortable with them. As always, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep shining with your English skills. Until next time, happy learning!